Time management is sold as the solution, yet it quietly fails millions who try it seriously every single day. If time was the problem, planners and calendars would have already fixed most lives across the world. The truth is uncomfortable, ignored, and never discussed because it threatens productivity culture itself. People believe they lack time, but what they actually lack is control over attention and emotional energy. Most schedules collapse not because of chaos, but because humans are not machines built for optimization. Time management systems assume rational behavior, yet human decisions are emotional and inconsistent. Planning works on paper, but real life introduces fatigue, resistance, fear, and mental overload constantly. Your brain does not resist tasks due to poor planning, it resists tasks due to emotional discomfort. Time blocks fail when energy drops, stress rises, or motivation quietly disappears midday. Most people blame themselves for being undisciplined instead of questioning the system they were taught. Productivity advice rarely mentions anxiety, boredom, identity conflict, or decision fatigue. Managing time without managing emotions is like steering a car without controlling the brakes. The real enemy of productivity is not distraction, it is avoidance disguised as busyness. Filling calendars creates the illusion of progress while deeper priorities remain untouched. Being busy feels productive, but often it is just a way to escape difficult thinking. Time management teaches efficiency, not effectiveness, and that difference ruins long-term progress. Doing tasks faster does not matter if the tasks themselves do not move life forward. Most people optimize their days without ever questioning their direction or long-term outcomes. Another brutal truth is that motivation cannot be scheduled like meetings or reminders. Energy fluctuates naturally, yet time systems demand consistency the human brain cannot sustain. When energy is low, discipline turns into self-punishment rather than progress. People are taught to push through resistance instead of understanding why resistance exists. Resistance is information, not weakness, but productivity culture treats it like a flaw. Ignoring resistance leads to burnout, not mastery or meaningful success. Time management ignores identity conflict, which silently sabotages most goals. If a task conflicts with self-image, the brain delays it regardless of schedule. No planner can override identity-level resistance without internal change. Another truth no one talks about is that urgency often replaces importance. Deadlines force action, but they train reactive behavior instead of intentional growth. Living by urgency keeps people busy while long-term goals slowly decay. Time systems also fail because they assume equal value for every hour. Not all hours carry the same cognitive power or creative potential. Forcing deep work during low energy periods guarantees frustration and delay. Most productivity advice ignores recovery, rest, and mental reset entirely. A tired brain cannot execute plans no matter how well structured they appear. Rest is treated as laziness instead of the fuel that makes focus possible. Another uncomfortable truth is that clarity matters more than efficiency. Unclear goals drain time because the brain hesitates without strong direction. Clear goals reduce procrastination more than any scheduling technique ever could. Most people do not manage time, they manage guilt about time. To-do lists become reminders of failure rather than tools for progress. Guilt drains energy faster than distraction ever could. The truth is that time does not need management, attention does. Where attention goes, time follows automatically without force. Training attention changes productivity more than adding structure. Emotional regulation is the missing foundation beneath all time systems. When emotions are stable, action feels natural instead of forced. Without emotional control, schedules become stress amplifiers. The brutal truth is that productivity is not about doing more. It is about doing less, but with intention, clarity, and alignment. Cutting tasks creates progress faster than adding systems ever will. Time management fails because it treats humans like tools instead of living systems. Humans need meaning, safety, and energy before they can use time effectively. Until that truth is accepted, productivity will remain a constant struggle. Real progress begins when people stop managing time and start designing life. When purpose leads, time naturally reorganizes itself around what matters. That truth is never marketed because it cannot be sold as a simple hack.